What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia and I'm super excited to be making this video today. I did a little shopping here and there at some places that I absolutely love, and they are from Home Goods. We got Sephora, and I got a few extra things I want to show you guys that I'm really excited for, and I think you guys will be excited for as well, because the price is just amazing and great, and you'll just have to keep on watching to see what I'm talking about. So please feel free to subscribe to my channel, be sure to like it and comment something down below, and I'll be happy to talk back to you guys. Let's chat in the comment section down below. But without further ado, let me get to showing you what I got. Okay, you guys, let's start off with, I want to start off with Sephora. So Sephora has this new thing where, you, if you have points, they're switching your points into cash. So say on mine, it said I can use 500 points out of my 1,300 points that I have, and those 500, each 500 points is $10 off, which is great because obviously you're spending money, and so finally you're getting something back, because the only thing Sephora was doing is like the samples, and like you can choose your points to get other things, mini size stuff. So now they're doing it for cash. Which is great. So one thing I really wanted to try out, I feel like my lips have been so dry and just chapped. So if you guys have this issue, you need to check out this Laneige, girl, I don't even know how to say it, but this is the product right here. I have been using it, but it is so nice and so juicy on the lips. It is a sleep mask, and the scent that I got is vanilla. They have other scents as well, but I had to go with vanilla, and I'm so glad that I did. It comes with a little spongy applicator if you want to use it. I just go with my finger, make sure you sanitize your hands, clean your hands. Please clean your hands. But I just go with my finger and just apply it, and my lips look so juicy and hydrated, and especially putting this on at night, I wake up in the morning and they just feel so good, and I love it. This was originally $22, and I used my 500 points to get $10 off, and you guys, Sephora had free shipping. So I would go check that out if you want to get free shipping, because I feel like I never see that on Sephora. So try to take advantage of that. So I highly suggest this. Along with getting that item, I did get my free samples. So the samples that I did choose, that I got was the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. I know First Aid Beauty is a good brand. I have used some of their products before. I haven't used this coconut skin one, but I'm excited to try it. So got that. Next thing I tried was next thing that I got was the Gucci Flora. It's the Flora scent, and it's just a small little sample, you guys, but this is a great way to see if you actually like something, and this one smells so good. I just love it. I know Gucci is expensive, but hey, now I got it in a sample, so I'll use it until it runs out, and I don't know if I'll get me another an actual full size, because they is expensive, but whatever. And then once again, your points, I got the Lila B. I've heard Jaclyn Hill actually loves this face mist. It's a glow face mist, and this one is only 0.33 fluid ounces. So I've always wanted to try it. I know it's around 20 to 30 bucks for the actual full size, but I used my 100 points and I got this, and I think it's a decent size to try out. So that is Sephora. Love, you guys. Try this out. It's so good. Okay, next thing is at Home Goods. Who else is a Home Goods freak? Because I'm a Home Goods freak. So love home goods for getting their home decor. I figured I needed some coasters for the house. I have some downstairs and stuff, but I feel like I need like a revamp of what's downstairs. So I found these pretty marble coasters. It has the wood grain and it has an E for last name Evans. So I thought that was just a cute personalized touch. And they have other coasters if you guys aren't into the personalization on them. They always have so many options you can choose from. And then one of the biggest finds I feel like are these vases. You guys, look how cute this vase is. It was only $5.99. So if you go to your Home Goods, see if they have this beauty. I really want to get some pampas grass. I feel like I see everybody with pampas grass, but it's kind of expensive, but I really want just pretty pampas grass coming out of this vase. And the best thing about it is I got two of them. I got the last two that I seen. So if you find it at your Home Goods, let me know. This is a great find and great steal for the price, only $5.99. So that's what I got there. And then you guys, the next thing I'm excited for is today I went to Walmart and this was like an impulse buy. Who else is an impulse buyer? Because I feel like that's me. But this is such a good price. This was it's this beautiful nude shirt. It has a turtleneck at the top. The sleeves are cut off, so I feel like it's a great transition to the fall time and stuff. And you can always do a throw over when it starts to get actually colder outside and stuff. And y'all, this was only $5.96 at your Walmart. I will link this down below. Material is super soft, super stretchy. I got a size small and I will try it on for you guys. And I just love the way this looks. Okay, so here is the top that I got from Walmart. I will link the code bar thing down below if you guys are interested, or if you go to your Walmart. But it is super cute. I love this color, y'all. Walmart is starting to get like up there for me. Like, they're having the nice sweaters that are super comfy and don't break the bank or anything like that. So definitely check out your local Walmart. They're having beautiful fall colors and stuff that I absolutely adore. I wish I could just buy all of it, but I ended up buying this one and I just love it. I feel like it's so cute. Okay, so that's pretty much what I got from these stores that you guys need to check out. Next thing I want to talk about is I am creating some shirts and tumblers. So if you guys are interested and want to support your girl, then I will leave my link down below for my Facebook and Instagram. I am posting pictures of what I'm deciding to create or have created. And if you're interested, DM me and message me, and I will be gladly to create something for you or personalize something if you have an idea and I can just bring it to life. I'll show you one of these shirts that I just love. I made it today, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this is one of the shirts that that I made today, and it is Mama Life. I did see it online. As you know, on Etsy store and stuff, you can buy like PNGs and all that stuff. So I'm not sure who is like the main creator of who came up with this, but it's absolutely adorable. I love it so much. And I just put it on a long sleeve t-shirt. So if you're interested in something like this, or pumpkins, like cheetah print, I'm super into cheetah print styles. We can get any size and color that you guys want. So go ahead and message me and I'll message you back, and I would love to see you in my creations. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As you can tell, I'm like super excited about everything. But be sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and comment something down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.